and today we're going to do my favorite topic, dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs. Do you love dinosaurs? Right, well listen with me then. Are you ready? What's the first one? Can we think of the king of the dinosaurs? The fiercest dinosaur. Which one is it? It's that's right, a T-Rex. Oh, be careful. He's very big and he likes to eat everything. Can you say T-Rex? Okay. And can you roar like a T-Rex? Roar. Good job. Okay. Now, the next one is much smaller, but he likes to eat everything too. It starts with ra. You know this one? A raptor. Yes, and they run very fast with their claws. Very good. Raptor. Now, this one has 3 horns. Do you know what this one's called? Do you? Did you say that? That's right. A triceratops. Triceratops don't eat meat, so it's okay. And this one has a very long neck and is very, very big. Do you know? Yes, a brontosaurus. Good job. Now, the next one likes to fly. Oh, what dinosaur do you know that flies? Did you guess? That's right, a pteranodon. Well done, you're very good at dinosaurs. Now this one has lots of scales on his back. Yeah, and spikes at the end. Can you guess? That's it, Stegosaurus. Well done everyone, you love dinosaurs too. Now there's one more I wanted to do because he lives in the sea. Yes, he's like a giant shark. Do you know what he's called? Don't be scared. That's right, a megalodon. Oh no, I hope he doesn't come to my swimming pool. Anyway, I know a very good song with dinosaurs in it. Do you want to learn with me? Okay, the first action is for the T-Rex. You have to roar like a T-Rex. Can you say roar, roar, roar? Well done. The next one, you have to run like a raptor. Are you ready? Run, 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 run like a raptor. Well done. Yes. The next one, you have to stomp like a brontosaurus. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good job. Now, can you guess which one we're doing next? You have to fly like a pteranodon. That's right. Fly, fly, fly. Good job. And the last one is swim like a megalodon. Can you swim? Good job. Well done. Okay. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes? Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The T-Rex likes to roar, 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 roar. The T-Rex likes to roar, roar, roar all day long. Did you get that? Good. Now we'll do the raptor. Are you ready? The raptor likes to run, 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 run. The raptor likes to run, run, run all day long. Good job. Now, can you stomp? Ready? The brontosaurus stomp, 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 stomp. The brontosaurus stomp, stomp, stomp all day long. Now this one, ready? Pteranodon can fly, 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 fly. Pteranodon can fly, fly, fly all day long. And the last one, swim like a megalodon. You ready? The megalodon can swim, 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 swim. Megalodon can swim, swim, swim all day long. Did you get that? Well done. Shall we do it one more time with everybody and all the way through? Okay? Get mummy and daddy in. Brothers and sisters, are you ready? Okay, here we go. The T-Rex can roar, 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 roar. A T-Rex likes to roar, roar, roar all day long. The raptor likes to run, 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 run. The raptor likes to run, run, run all day long. Brontosaurus likes to stomp, 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 stomp. Brontosaurus likes to stomp, stomp, stomp all day long. Pteranodon likes to fly, 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 fly. Pteranodon likes to fly, fly, fly all day long. Megalodon likes to swim, 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 swim. Megalodon likes to swim, swim, swim all day long. Well done, everyone. That was fun, wasn't it? Did you like doing all those actions? Good. Now, let's have a look at all our dinosaurs one more time before it's time to go. Are you ready? Number one was T-Rex. Roar. Yes. Number two, Raptor. Run. Yes. Number three, Triceratops with the horns. Very good. Number four, Brontosaurus. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good job. Number five, Pteranodon. Yes, he likes to fly. Number six, Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus likes to swish, swish, swish with his tail. Yes. And last one, Megalodon. Well done, and the Megalodon swims. Great. Did you enjoy our dinosaurs? Did you like them? I love dinosaurs. Anyway, if you want more, check it out on Coaching English Facebook page. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.